Firstly, consider temperature fluctuations. The temperature heating element should be correctly placed and securely connected. It's also crucial to verify the functionality of the skin and air sensor. If necessary, calibrate the skin and air probe along with the temperature control system. Next, let's address a scenario where the unit is not powering on. The power source and fuse should be checked, ensuring the unit is plugged in properly. Test the electrical outlet and replace any blown fuses. Also, ensure the power switch and emergency shutoff are in the correct positions. Alarms can be tricky. The alarm system should be inspected for any error codes or indicators. If sensors are triggering alarms without cause, this needs addressing. Regular testing of the alarm system will ensure it functions correctly. A visual inspection can reveal a lot. Check the overall condition of the radiant warmer for any physical damage or loose components. The control panel buttons and indicators should also be looked at and verified for proper operation. Now, on to repairs. If the heating element needs replacing, power off the unit and disconnect it from the electrical supply. After removing the outer casing, the heating element can be replaced. Similarly, if the temperature probe is malfunctioning or giving inaccurate readings, it can be replaced after disconnecting power and removing the cover. For issues with the control panel or other electrical components, it's best to consult a qualified technician for repairs or replacements. Maintenance is key to longevity. The radiant warmer should be kept clean by wiping surfaces with a mild, non-toxic disinfectant. Regular inspection of all cables and connections for signs of wear, fraying, or damage is also essential. Remember to calibrate the temperature control system periodically to ensure accurate temperature settings, and always keep detailed records of maintenance activities, repairs, and any replacements made. Lastly, perform routine tests to ensure the radiant warmer is operating within the specified parameters. A pre-use check before each neonatal use will confirm proper functionality. To summarize, troubleshooting a neonatal radiant warmer involves checking the temperature controls, power source, alarm system, and conducting a visual inspection. Repairs may involve replacing the heating element or temperature probe, or consulting a technician for electrical component issues. Regular maintenance, calibration, documentation, and testing are essential for keeping the equipment in top shape. Remember, when it comes to neonatal care, every detail matters. So, get familiar with your equipment and ensure it's always ready to deliver the best care possible.